Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by immediately narrowing the problem. Close non-essential tabs and any heavy sites. You'll free memory and CPU instantly. Next, open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+S to identify which tab or extension uses the most CPU. Jot their names. Once done, make sure Chrome is up to date and that bookmarks are synced so you can safely restart. These steps prepare you to act decisively. Identify the culprit and secure your data before deeper fixes. You now diagnose the root cause and apply targeted fixes. Disable suspect extensions one at a time and watch Task Manager. If CPU drops, remove that extension. Clear site data and cache for heavy pages, then use DevTools to reload without cache to confirm improvement. If Chrome's GPU offload misbehaves, toggle hardware acceleration off in settings. This often reduces CPU spikes by changing rendering method. Finally, reset Chrome //flags to default only if unstable tweaks were enabled. This avoids hidden performance penalties. You finish by optimizing and planning for recovery. If problems persist, create a fresh Chrome profile and migrate bookmarks and passwords. Profile corruption often causes runaway CPU. Run a malware scan and install OS updates, then check for competing background apps that steal cycles. If none of that helps, perform a clean reinstall of Chrome and reinstall only essential extensions to keep CPU low. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is: revert to the new profile and reinstall one extension at a time to isolate the offender.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.